Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. New location unlocked. I am in my car. I thought I would start the video when I was actually doing an activity instead of just being in my house. So today is June 13th. It is BTS's 12th anniversary. It is Festa. It is so exciting. It's technically not the 13th anymore in Korea. Because they're like 12 hours ahead of where I live. So all the cool Festa stuff in Korea has already happened. All the like little fun activities, and also Hobie's Korea shows for Hope on the Stage. Day 1 happened, which is so cool. We saw every single member of BTS, even Yoongi. It was just so great. There were so many cool performances and all the members were there. So, it's so great to be in ARMY. So that's why I'm very excited to be recording today, because I feel like my happiness and joy coming back, especially as American living in very turmoil times. I need a little bit of a joy. Today's also Friday the 13th, and it's ateez comeback day. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pick up my ateez albums from Target. I ordered pickup, so let's go. So much stuff is happening today that I just keep forgetting, but also there's a Festa event at my kpop store, which is entirely the whole reason I'm vlogging this, is because of the event tonight. Let's go to Target. Okay, I'm back from Target. I got the goods and we'll do an unboxing when I get back. I have to get back real fast because it looks like it's about to storm where I live, and we keep getting really bad storms, so I want to be home before it storms. Hello, we're back from Target, and I did a little TikTok unboxing where I unboxed my reactions. I have my TikTok linked down below if you guys want to watch my raw reactions, but I did open the versions. I am very, very confused about how this whole album was released. This is the first time they've done things like this. These like physical albums were only released in the United States. I could be wrong, please let me know. So the ones with like the physical CDs, they did not come with photo cards. They came with like photo card adjacent things, like a Polaroid and like a sticker, but yeah, I don't know. Also, the concept photos in this were the same and there was no photo book, but I did get these half off, so they were like cheaper than they would have been if it was a regular album, which is nice, I guess. But I did have to get both versions because I collect only 4 cards per release, so it would have equated to technically 4 cards with how I did this. So I'm still loved it. You know, the unboxing was so fun. I just love pulling photo cards, and I haven't pulled a photo card in a really long time, so I was really enjoying it. So for whatever this version is, I pulled the Sunghwa sticker, which is like supposed to go in your like credit card because it has like a little hole section for like the little chip. And then I pulled for the US exclusive Hongjoon, which is so gorgeous. And then for the sweat version maybe, or the nervous version, I don't know, this version of Target, I pulled Yeosang, my bias, so cute. And then for the blue version, thirst maybe, I don't know, they're like heat, sweat, thirst, anger, all the words. For the Polaroid, I pulled Booyoung, which my bias tracker, so that's fun. And then I was Sunghwa blessed, guys, and so for the US exclusive, I pulled Sunghwa, and it's I've never pulled him, so this is like my first time pulling him, which is so exciting. And then for the other Target version, so there was 2 separate Target exclusive cards, so 16 overall if you were to collect each member for Target. I pulled Yosung again. Amazing. And he is so gorgeous with his little like pink red hair on the pink background. Anyways, it was super, I love ateez. And it was such a joy to pull them today on BTS anniversary, and all of them being ARMY is just, it just makes it so fun. So yeah, I will check back in with you guys when I'm getting ready for the event, which is very soon. And we'll vlog a little bit more. Maybe I can find some trades for these while I'm there, because it's also a trade. I doubt anyone really has these albums yet, but yeah. So I'm getting my bag ready. I want to be decked out in ARMY related BTS things. I'm bringing my little like crossbody bag. I love this thing. This is like perfect to take everywhere because it fits pretty much everything that I need, and it just sits right in front of me. It's from Target. So I have my photo cards that I want to trade. I have so many of them, just like of extra cards I've gotten. The trading community on Instagram is just so bad to trade like older cards. It has to be like a new release to essentially trade. And then on my bag, I actually have some little trinkets. So I have this Koya, which is Namjoon's, oh my gosh, what am I doing? Koya, Namjoon's little BT21 character. And it's an indigo Koya, like in a jean. So of course I got that. I got this in Los Angeles, actually, when I saw TXT. And then I have another Koya photo card holder. And it has Mott's Namjoon in it because he's so cute in that. And so I have all of that. I don't think I'm bringing anything else. I mean, there's really nothing I like need to buy, essentially. I just want to like trade and see what the vibes are. I'm going to try to see if I can pick up my Shiny albums because I pre-ordered them. And it actually said it would be available on June 13th, but they had just moved. So I want to see if there's an update on that, but I might come home with two albums, but those were already bought. Also, are any of you guys book people? I mean, if you're just watching this video and you don't know who I am, you wouldn't know that I absolutely love books. But if you're subscribed to this channel, you already know that I'm on a book fiend. But I'm currently in the middle of the tandem read for ACOTAR. Whoa. I'm currently on the tandem read for Throne of Glass. I think I'm like halfway. So like they make you read a shit ton of Tower of Dawn, which is like the least best book ever. And then they make you read a ton of Empire of Storm at once. So I'm on the reading a ton of Empire Storm, and then I'll get back. You know, if you know what a tandem read is, like you go in and out of each book. I also plan, well, there's one more book in the series after that, and I also plan to then read Crescent City, and I got the beautiful Barnes & Noble covers of Crescent City. They look like this. And yeah, I'm interested in seeing what that's about. People say it's like Sarah J. Maas's like least best book series, but we'll see. It's like a modern fantasy, so they have phones. We'll see what the vibe is. Okay, I'm getting ready. I'm taking off my lip stain. I had half of it off. I wanted to do a satisfying peel, but oh, sort of satisfying. Some people are able to do it and not have like inner stuff. I will never understand. Okay, I cut off most of the little bits. And now I'm gonna take a Q-tip and I'm gonna fix it. The lip stain. I don't know what's happening here and why it looks like that. It's not as stark in front of me than it is on camera. And I have to fix that with a lip liner, even though the point of this is to not wear a lip liner. But if you want to know the brand, it's the Sachi Beauty lip liner in the color 2 or mauve. And yeah, I think it looks cool. It doesn't look as good on camera, but it's still good.
We need to go get